Hey, how you doing today, gang? This is Charged Up Cook. My name is Tom. Today I'm going to be doing some scallops on a yam puree and some lemon spinach. That's what's for dinner. So you can see I got my yam in here, a little bit of garlic. So let's switch this around. Let me get this up here. Going to add a little bit of coconut milk. You can see. All right, so we ran that with one of those little blenders. Let you just take a look at that. Gonna let this cook down, just a little coconut milk. I'm gonna get some seasoning in here. All right, now I'm just gonna get the spinach in there. Got some garlic in here already. Just want this to melt down a little bit. Here. There we go. A little bit of seasoning. All right, let's just give this a stir. Lost one. All right, I'm going to set this aside over here with this. Now we're just going to get our pan with our scallops going. Give these a little bit more seasoning. There we go. That's looking nice. I got a little bit of butter, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of garlic in here. All right, I'm going to go in. I'm going to try to go from 12 o'clock around, and that way I'll turn them the same way. There we go. So we'll do this batch first. So we're going to go about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes aside. Give you a better look at that. All right, I'm going to start flipping these. Oh, no sear. Give these guys a little coat. All right, I'm going to pull these off and fix a plate. There you go. Check that out. What do you think? Take this into the wife.